guys, day 21. We are looking at elapsed time today. But first, our word problem. Okay. The store had 21 coloring books in stock. They ended up putting them on sale and getting rid of 7 of them. They put the ones they still had onto shelves with 7 on each shelf. How many shelves did they use? So go ahead and pause the video, work through this on a paper in front of you, okay? And then when you're done, go ahead and press play and we're going to talk about it. All right, hopefully you have an answer, okay? And let's look at this, okay? So here it is that 2-part problem. Again, we're looking at those 2-part problems. We're stepping up that the difficulty in these word problems. Okay, so it wasn't just one quick answer. We had to do more than that. Okay, so we had to figure out, well, how many did they have left, and then how many could have to go on each shelf. So if 7 went on each shelf, then how many shelves did they use? Well, they used 2 shelves. Okay, if they had 21 originally, they sold 7 of them because of the sale. They had 14 left. Well, then they put 7 on each shelf. They used 2 of the shelves. All right. You can pause this if you need to look at this some more. Otherwise, we are moving on, okay? We've been working a lot on elapsed time, so we're going to take some look at some questions here. So the first one says, Barb went on a walk to the park at 6:50. She played on the swings for 10 minutes. What time did she finish swinging? Okay, so I'm going to show you this. I used a number line for this one, okay? So started at 6:50. You can see here I started at 6:50, okay? I made a jump of 5 minutes here. Okay, and so I jumped to 6:55, all right, and then I jumped another 5 minutes, and that got me up to 7 o'clock, okay, because I know that 5 and 5 is 10 minutes, okay, so that got me how long she swung for, okay, and so then I know that that time is what she ended at is 7 o'clock, okay, so she finished swinging at 7 o'clock, all right, so go ahead and take a look at this one. I'm going to read it for you, and I want you to pause the video after I'm done reading it. I want you to try to solve it. You can use any strategy you would like. If you want to do a T-chart, if you want to do the number line, that's fine too. Whatever you would like, whatever you prefer that we've been using is fine, okay? Try one of those strategies on this one. See what you can do. Janie went to the library at 3:45 p.m. and left at 7:45 p.m. How long was she at the library? Go ahead and try something. Use what you know from the problem. See what you can do. Okay, hopefully you have something out in front of you, okay? Hopefully you know that she went to the library at 3:45 and she left at 7:45, okay? So even if you don't know what to do after that, hopefully you maybe, if you tried a number line, you have that time at the beginning and 7:45 at the end, and you tried to do some sort of jumps to get there, okay? So I did a number line for this one as well, okay? So 3:45, and then I did a big jump to 4:45, and that big jump is an hour there, okay? And so then from 4:45 to 5:45 is another hour, and I knew, well, I could jump another hour to 6:45, and if I jumped one more hour all the way to 7:45, so that was the time she left the library, okay? So then I had to count how many jumps I made, and if I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, then I have 4 of those, which is 4 hours. So how long was she at the library? Janie was at the library for 4 hours. Okay, you definitely could have used a T-chart though. That's a great strategy as well. All right. All right, this one is on your own. Okay, so Mike went to see a movie at the theater that was 1 hour and 45 minutes long. It started at 6 p.m. What time did it end? Okay, so use the paper in front of you. You're going to go ahead and solve this one today. This is your assignment for today. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. But go ahead and do this one on your paper. And if you need any other resources on elapsed time, you guys can always go back for the previous lessons and use those resources that are linked for you guys. Have a great day. Make sure you guys are reading too. Any day that you guys have some time to do that. You guys always free to be reading. That's a great way to keep your guys' brains engaged or working on those math links as well.